In this quick guide, I will show with you how you can withdraw your money from VT Market. So friends, let's get started. First, go to your VT Market official website, log in your account with your own information, friends. Log in with your password and your ID. Write your email address and password. This is for login. After logging your account, friends, you will see this dashboard. From here, go to your funds, this option funds, as you can see here, friends. When you go to funds, click withdraw funds, and then choose your, select your account you want to transfer, account selected here, write your amount you want to withdraw here, and then click confirm. So friends, this is easy process you can do. Just log in your informations, log in your account. After that, click funds, as I said, and then choose add withdraw method. From here, you can withdraw also with your credit card, as you can see here. Just open your account. You can choose a bank transfer to withdraw your bank transfer, and then select your all the details for your bank names and beneficiaries and ABA sort codes, and then write your SWIFT code. After that, confirm your details. So I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video. You can also, friends, choose a credit card as a payment method, add your card, and then you can withdraw.